Now, with your expectation, Defiance ETF's co-founder and CEO Sylvia Jablonski. Do you ever just go along with the crowd, or are you always defiant, Sylvia? It's good to go against the crowd with investing, I think.
It is. It's absolutely very good to be defiant. And, it was very good to be defiant last year when everybody was kind of afraid of tech and, we were picking it up at lower price levels, and that's paying off. So sometimes it is good to be defiant.
It was like stocks soared during the pandemic, and then tech stocks soared during 550 basis point interest rate hikes, when that's the group that was going to get hurt because of the multiples were too rich, and that's where. And as usual, the Magnificent Seven have outperformed everything. Is that going to continue?
Yeah, so I think if we look back, tech was actually very much in a bear market in 2022. So the markets are forward-looking. The markets were looking forward to the Fed raising rates, right? And now markets are looking forward to the end of rate hikes, inflation going in the right direction, kind of more of a Goldilocks type of story where data's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's kind of approaching where it should be, but we're in this weird area. So, what do I think about tech? This earnings season is going to be very telling. So if we start seeing good kind of rhetoric and feedback on revenues from AI, from machine learning, corporate spending from other corporations looking to invest in these spaces, then I think that takes tech a lot higher, even regardless of the type of run-up that we've already seen. That's what it'll take.
It's amazing. Did you see that Meta chart? My machine has a yearly low of 88. That can't be right.
What?
No, it is. No, I'm kidding. That stock was $88. Everybody threw in the towel at 88, but I'm kidding. Yeah, it was an $88 stock. Meta was an 88. That's why I'm kidding, because that can't be right on my screen here. It says $88. You didn't ride that all the way up, did you, Sylvia?
Meta wasn't the ones that I jumped on. The video was one of the ones that I jumped on. If you kind of look at the high and the low and the new high there, that was a good ride there. So with Meta, I think that, what turned me off about Meta was the focus on the metaverse, right? I didn't think that was going to be the thing that would propel the company forward. It seemed like they were losing focus on ad spending and Instagram and all of the things, the inherent subscriber base that they already have, user base that they already have. So it looks like he's sort of changed course and gone back to that. So you can sort of see why Meta, got some of their star kind of shining again and the price moving upward, because now you're going to see that ad spend again. You're going to see that user subscriber base grow, and then perhaps they start competing with TikTok. Now there's a story there.
So, Sylvia, for Netflix, and we're going to get those earnings, they have a lot of stuff in the can, obviously. That's almost the beauty of it in streaming. You can watch whatever you want at any time, yet the flip side is people may not pay for it if there's not new stuff all the time hitting. So how is the strike going to affect Netflix? Is it going to be a safe place to go during the strike, because you can always go there and watch something that you love that may not have been produced in the last 6 months? Or are people going to exit and not pay? Are they going to lose subscribers because there's no reason to keep it?
Well, I think it depends on how long all of this goes on and how long it takes. So for the earnings call, we're expecting 1.8 million new users, and they might just get there because they have had so much new content, and they have a lot of new content in the hopper. So I think that for the foreseeable future, Netflix certainly survives. They probably won't lose subscribers. But if the idea that the writer's strike is going to go on, beyond a few months into the category of years, then I think all of the subscriber types of media plays are going to suffer from that, because if there's nothing new to watch, I do think that subscribers will kind of take this time to cut down their monthly bills and get rid of those subscriptions. So the tenure of that strike will be meaningful.
188, the low on that one. I mean, if you really did believe people that the October lows were not going to hold and we were going back down there, you really, at this point, you've lost. There's a big opportunity cost in what you've missed out on. There's just no way around it. And some of the greatest hedge fund managers.
And it's too late.
Yeah, some of the greatest hedge fund managers in the world, they shall go nameless, told me there needs to be a capitulation. Have you ever seen a market bottom without a capitulation? Did we see it, or are we going back down, Sylvia? Can you never going back to the October lows?
Never going back to the October lows. A lot of people have FOMO. FOMO is a real thing.
Yeah, it is, and it's an acronym that is in the lexicon to stay. I think I hear it all the time.